Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a question on one of our videos and it was a very good question. It does actually come up quite a lot and it's a real easy fix. And the question was, if for example one of the blurbs you've used is longer than the others, how do I get them all to look the same length basically? Really easy. Well, I've got 3 blurbs here and as you can see they're all different lengths. Let's enable the visual builder. Let's go down to our little blurbs here. And basically what we want to do, we want to make the shortest one the same length as the longest one. We could make the longest one the same length as the shortest one, but it would cut off half of the text, which is not what you want. Or I imagine that's not what you want. So let's go into our shortest blurb here. And we'll go over to design and sizing. Scroll down a little bit and you've got height. Let's drag the height down till it's around the same height as your tall one there. 500 pixels looks about right. You can use the slider, you can type in a value, you can fine tune with these little buttons to the side here. That would be my easiest way of doing it. Of course, if you've got a lot of blurbs, like I say, just take the longest one, get it similar length to the longest one. Then when we've got it right, we can simply right click on the blurb tab right here, the dark tab, and we'll say extend blurb styles. So either every blurb on the page or the section or the row or the column. We want this row, so I want them all to be the same size in this row, so I'm going to hit the extend. And there we have it. They're all the same size. Really easy to do. The other way would be to go in and you could add a bit of extra padding to the bottom of the ones that are shorter. But I think by giving them a fixed size, that's the way to go. And you can do that on any module, not just the blurbs. And of course you need to extend. If you don't want to extend using that way, the other way is to copy module styles and then go into the next one. And you can paste the module styles in there. But like I say, using the extend feature is really useful. So there you have it. That's how to make all your blurb modules exactly the same size. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.